Hey guys, welcome to you Like Beast YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna review this awesome Lego Classic thing. So it's Lego Classic 11018. I bought this from Kmart for 17 bucks, 17 Australian dollars. So it was originally $22, but it was on sale. So here's the back of the box, and we can build all these awesome models from this Lego box. All the mumbo jumbo is there. These are the pieces available inside the box. Pretty cool, eh? And nice artwork as usual. And I got my trusty knife with me, but unfortunately I don't need the knife. It's just a manual opening thing. Okay, let's open the box and get these awesome packaging out. There you go. All right, there are 5 what do you call boxes, and here's the instruction booklet to build awesome these small builds, I guess. There you go. All right. Yeah, see, nicely done. Nice artwork. I like that aeroplane and the motion. So each bag is separated with these builds, so that's awesome. So all the kids can easily work it out and easily find the pieces. So number 1, and we can build that awesome pirate ship and the turtle, I guess. And there you go, number 2, number 3 box, and as usual we got unnumbered bags as well, so we can be creative with those later. Alright, so here's the booklet. Awesome. So let's build some Lego. Okay, so let's build this pirate ship and the turtle first. So let's move these other bags aside. Okay, so this page. So this is very easy builds, under 2 minutes I think. So it's good for the kids that who's starting the hobby, I guess, and the parents, you guys can join in with them as well, because this is very easy stuff, very easy builds. So let's yeah, I'm just gonna leave my brown color items separately, but it's no need, there are only few Lego bricks on each bag. Okay, I'm gonna make the turtle first, build the turtle first, and yeah, I'm gonna name him Crush, you know, the turtle in the Nemo movie. Alright, let's do this one. So I just what do you call, speed up the building process here, because it's very easy build. As you can see, it's just a few layers of bricks, and yeah, and I'm pretty what do you call, excited about these small mouth. I think there's some sort of a seaweed in his mouth. I love that Lego piece. Yeah, just couple more steps and we are done, I think. Yep, so there you go. That's the eyes of the turtle, eyes of the Crush, I guess. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's always hard to press that eyes, and we are done. There you go. What an awesome beat. Easy, and it only took under 2 minutes for me to do that one. Pretty good. I love that pink colorish turtles. Alright. Okay, the second build is the pirate ship. I suppose it's a pirate ship, or you can say a Royal Navy ship. So it's from the same bag, you know, same number 1 bag has the, you know, bricks to build this pirate ship. Yeah, nothing much to mention, it's just a quick build, so I'm gonna fast forward the building process, and we can finally see the final outcome. Okay, there you go. I think that's it. Wow, that's a handy, that's a beautiful ship, I suppose. Yeah, see the shields on the sides. I think it's a Viking ship. You know, Vikings do that kind of shield. Place their shields on the sides, and yeah, it's a beautiful one. Just on the set, and I like that head part of the ship as well. Okay, let's move to the bag number 2. Yeah, I think the first one is the easiest people to do. Since we stay in Australia, so I got one nose. Okay, let's build the cactus tree. Oh, sure what that is, but the smallest tree ever. How many parts? 1, 2, and the tree beat. That's the number 3, and purple color flower. Number 4, and number 5. That's it. 5 Lego bricks. There you go. You got a beautiful flower tree or a cactus tree for your garden. There you go. Easy done. Okay, moving into the next build. This is a bird. I think sitting on some kind of a tree or a what do you call rock kind of thing. So I'm gonna call this bird. I'm gonna give a name to this birdie. How about Chipper? Chipper. Okay, let's fast forward this build and check the final outcome. Okay, that's done. It's a beautiful build, I guess. You know, see the bird is sleeping, resting, I guess, eyes closed. You got few leaves on the bottom. Wow, nice one. Very neat build. Okay, moving into the next one. Oh, this is going to be a very quick video. I think this is a submarine, yellow color. First, I thought it's it's something to do with Minions theme, but yeah, same colors but a different build. All right, let's fast forward these. It's done. Wow, fantastic. You can see the propeller. Yeah, you can turn that as well, and the call binocular. What do you call that thing on the top? Not sure. So nice build. All right, moving to the next one. Bag number 3. Okay, let's open the bag first. Oh, that's a colorful bag. Pink color, light blue color bricks. Side. First build is the whale. Let's call him Moby Dick's girlfriend. You know, Moby Dick is blue color, I think, blue or grey color. This is a pink color whale. Okay, this is the first time I've seen a pinkish whale, but let's build and see. It seems like it's a very cool build. With good details on it. Yeah, let's fast forward it and check. Oh, and please don't mind, I was a bit bored during this build because it was too easy, so I put the Lego Masters from my phone because I'm a huge fan of Lego Masters series. And yeah, let's build Lego while watching Lego Masters. Why not? Hey. There you go. Wow, beautiful build. You can the tail part as well. I think we're really happy about his girlfriend's appearance, I suppose. Nice, beautiful done. Okay, moving into my favorite build of this box, the seaplane. Yeah, I think it's a seaplane. Yeah, you can land that on Alright, let's start the build. I like the colors first of all. I had to mention that it's light blue, pink, and black color propellers. Oh, that's the best colors for seaplane. Alright, plane manufacturers, mind you, those are the best colors for seaplanes. Let's fast forward. Alright, it's done. Propeller's done. Now everything is completed on this magnificent seaplane. Yeah, it's a nice build, right? Yeah, you can turn the what do you call it, both propellers. And, wonderful model, I guess. Wow, very cool. So that's it, I think. So that's the all the instructions for the builds. So from the other two bags, you can be more creative and build more stuff, I suppose. Here are those bags. So I can see a few tires over there and eyes and nice colorful pieces. So you can be creative with your kids and yeah, and enjoy the hobby. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll upload more videos and photos on my Instagram page. And yeah, please subscribe me on YouTube, comment and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in another video soon. Alright, bye.